Now let's start with a big fix. Step 1 is to optimize and defrag your drive. This first step alone can dramatically reduce your disk usage. Click on the Windows search, type defragment and optimization. Once it pops up, click on it. Now head down and under scheduled optimization, click change settings. Uncheck run on a schedule, then you click OK. Windows constantly tries to optimize your drive in the background. This can cause heavy disk usage, so unchecking this option will allow your disk to perform better. Now, let's manually analyze and optimize our drive. Select the drive you want to analyze and optimize, usually drive C. Then you click Analyze. When it finishes, click Optimize. This method is safer than the automatic one and prevents Windows from pressuring your drive non-stop. That's why it's necessary to disable scheduled optimization, so that you can manually analyze and optimize your drive. Now on to the second step. The second step is to deep clean your disk. This method is very safe and effective. Click on the Windows search and type disk cleanup. Once it pops up, click on it to open it. Select your drive, usually drive C, then you click OK. From here, you can select every item on the list. They are all safe to delete and it's optional. You can either choose to check or uncheck either one of them. So I'll just go for recycle bin, delivery optimization. I'll uncheck thumbnails. I'll check temporary files. Then you click clean up system files. Select your disk again and then click OK. Now you have more available options. You can check Windows Update Cleanup. You can check Microsoft Defender Antivirus, Windows Error Report, Delivery Optimization Files, Recycle Bin, and I uncheck thumbnails. It's optional. You can either choose to check thumbnails or not. Then you click OK. Then you click Delete Files. This will remove junk files, Windows Update leftovers, error logs, temporary files, and cached files. All this junk can slow down your disk and cause 100% usage. Cleaning it frees space and reduces background load. As it's still cleaning up the disk, let's move on to the next step. Let's disable problematic Windows services. There are 3 services that are known to trigger high disk usage. Click on the Windows search, type services, click on it to launch it. For the first service, let's search for Connected User Experience. Right click on it and then click Properties. For its startup type, make sure it's set to disabled. Click Apply, then OK. For the second one, let's look for sysmain. Right click on it and then click Properties. For its startup type, set it to disabled. Hit Apply, then OK. The sysmain, which was formerly known as the superfetch, is a common cause of 100% disk usage on older systems. Now let's move on to the last service, which is the Windows search. Right click on the Windows search and then click Properties. For its startup type, set to disabled. Hit Apply, then OK. If disabling the Windows search from the services doesn't work for you, click on the search and then type CMD. Right click and then run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type this command, net.exe space Windows search in quotes. Then you press enter on your keyboard. Once it stops successfully, close the CMD window. Head back to the services and then click on action on the toolbar. Then you click refresh. Next, right click on the Windows search, click on properties. You will now be able to set a startup type to disabled. Click apply and OK. This method should work for you. Next, let's turn off heavy notifications. Right click on the start menu icon and click on settings. Click on system, then choose notifications. All those background pop-ups, ads and alerts constantly ping your system and use disk resources. You can choose to turn off specific apps or disable all notifications with one switch, which is by toggling off the notifications. Or you can choose to keep it toggled on. Head down and then turn off notifications for specific apps. So I can turn one for Skype off. Snipping 2, I can choose to turn it off. Startup notifications and then so on. This is great for older PCs or laptops. Now on to the next step. Let's run chkdsk to fix disk errors. If your disk has corrupted sectors or file errors, Windows may spike to 100% trying to read them. Click again on the Windows search. Type CMD. Right click and then you run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type this command exactly and I'll leave it in the description so that you can easily copy and paste. chkdsk, which is chkdsk, space C, which is capital C, then colon, space /F space /R space /X. Then you hit enter on your keyboard. If it asks you to run on next boot, type Y and press enter. It will say this volume will be checked the next time the system restarts. This will allow Windows to fix errors, repair file system issues, mark bar sectors, and then reduce disk trashing. This step alone can fix stubborn cases. For the last but one step, let's update storage and SATA drivers. Outdated disk can cause constant 100% disk usage. Right-click on the Start menu icon and then click on Device Manager. Scroll down and then find IDE ATA/ATAPI controllers. Click to expand. Right-click each item under it, click on Update, and then click Search automatically for drivers. If Windows says everything is up to date, it's fine, but don't stop yet. You can either click on the Search for Update drivers on Windows Update. This ensures Windows checks online, not just locally. Next, expand Storage controllers. Update everything under that section. Even on SSDs, old drives can cause disk spikes. Updating them is very crucial. For this last step, let's run a full virus or malware scan. Malware can cause permanent 100% disk usage. Click on the Windows search and type Windows Security. Click on it to open it. Click on the virus and threat protection. Then you click Scan options. You can choose Quick Scan. This will check folders in your systems where threats are commonly found. Or you can go for Full Scan. This one will check all files and running programs on your hard disk, and this scan can take longer than an hour. Or you can go for the Customized Scan, where you choose which files and locations you want to check. But I recommend choosing a Full Scan for a deep cleaning. A full scan will check every file, every folder, and every hidden location. After following all 7 steps, your system should drop disk usage from 100% to normal. It should boot faster, open apps quicker, and experience less freezing, and also run smoother overall. That's all for this tutorial, and I would really appreciate if you click on the like button and then subscribe to my channel if you've not. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.